Hello, good people. This is Sherry, owner and designer for Sharika Originals Handcrafted Gifts, where we create jewelry for those who are deliberately different. We also create YouTube tutorials to bring out your creative genius. Today, I'm working on something that I've been thinking about for a while. I'm going to make a double-sided hoop. So let's check it out. In YouTube University, I learned that you could join two pieces of acrylic without having to glue them. So that's what I'm experimenting with this. I'm going to make a pair of earrings, two-sided earrings with these two pieces of acrylic. And when I put them in my laser, it's going to join them so I won't have to glue them. This is my hoop design, and as you can see, I also have a circle in the middle to use up the extra material that would otherwise be lost if I didn't put that other circle and earring hole in it. So that's just a way that I save my material. I also learned that if you put a wet paper towel under your acrylic, you won't get that flashback that gives that burned look sometimes on your acrylic. Okay, it's cut and it is fused. So we're gonna go ahead and put this together and make these double-sided hoop earrings. I've got my wire cutters, my round nose pliers, my flat nose hook pliers, and my flat nose pliers. My file, some jump rings, and some 18 gauge tarnish resistant wire. I believe my jump rings are 10 millimeter. I have a hole on both sides, so I'm going to insert my jump ring on one side of my earring. I'm looking at my earrings to make sure that they're both going to face the right way so that they will be able to have the right side showing. I'm going to cut two 3-inch pieces of my 18 gauge wire to make my hook. I'm cutting two 3-inch pieces of my 18 gauge wire to make my earring hook. I use my round nose pliers to go down 3/4 of an inch and bend my wire into a U. I'm using my bail making pliers just to make a U shape. You could use any round object to do this. This is just what I had on hand. Now I'm going to turn the edge up about 1/4 of an inch because this is going to be the hook that keeps my earring on. Well, I'm finished with my earrings, and I wanted to show you that they are double-sided. Going to put on there. Okay. Can you see? Can you see it? I hope you can see it. Okay, so it's on the blue side now, right? It's on the blue side. Now I'm just gonna switch them around. Gonna take this one off of this ear. I'm gonna switch ears. So when you switch ears, the other side shows. Okay, all right. Let's see if I can get this one on right. So when you switch the ear, fasten it. Okay, so now it's on the other side. So it's on the gray side. So that's what I'm trying to show, is that these are double-sided earrings. You switch them to the other side and you have a different color. All right, good people, this is Sherry saying thank you for watching, and I appreciate my subscribers so much. I appreciate your likes, your thumbs up, your comments. Don't forget our Tuesday live subscriber chat. I had to cancel last week because I was really beat, but I hope to see you this Tuesday. All right, good people, this is Sherry saying, as always, be blessed.